Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson here on the channel. Well, not really a lesson, but I just wanted to let you know that I just started a 7-day challenge completely free. And the goal is to cut through all that crap that's out there on YouTube that mostly is just leading people to waste their money, waste their time. I'm going to show you how to identify an opportunity, or at least give you the skills so that when you're looking at opportunities, you know whether they're really going to make you money or lose you money and why. You should be able to tell me, hey, this is a good idea. I'm thinking about doing this because of this. Not just a few stupid metrics like 7 out of 10 sellers have this revenue and this many reviews and I'm going to change the color from red to black. No. We're going to go in depth, behind the scenes, the way that an actual brand builder looks at opportunities and figures out what to sell on Amazon. And it's completely free. So you can join using the link below. You'll get instant access to day 1 video along with some other cool resources. And if you stick it out to the end, I want to just reward some consistency. I'll give you access to 20 more free course videos on day 8. So this is all just completely free. I want to focus more this year on just giving value. I actually sell on Amazon. I actually do this. Today we're at about $1,000 in sales so far, 52K for the month. My goal is to build the coolest Amazon FBA community out there on YouTube, even if it's small. I know my channel doesn't get a lot of views, but those of you who are here, those of you who comment, I see you. I know you're there. I wanted to make something that was just exciting and awesome for everyone to get into and get excited about. And so be sure to comment down below, I'm in, or 7-day challenge, or let's get it, something to let me know that you're here and you're going to be taking the challenge. And yeah, I'm just super excited. Just a quick announcement video. Thank you to everyone who's been supporting me recently, commenting. It's great to see everyone being more active. And so I just wanted to give you guys all a gift in my gratitude for everything that's been happening in my life. I'm super excited about the accomplishments I've been able to make with my brand and the direction that that's going. And I just wanted to give back. So thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.